Here's how to change your Saudi National Bank ATM card PIN by using your mobile phone. Let's get started. Firstly, log into your bank account. Once you log in, tap on my current account. Now tap on card. Now tap on PIN, card PIN. Yes. Now create your new ATM card PIN. Repeat it and tap on process. Now you will receive a OTP, and once you receive it, start tapping it. Now your ATM card PIN has reset successfully. You can go back, tap on process. It's easy, right? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you are watching on TikTok or Facebook, drop a follow for more Saudi video. Thank you.